Hello, welcome to EPIT Research Labs Private Limited. Today the project is about pole climbing robot for linemen. Let's go to the working of the project. So here the robot is used to climb the pole, and there is a hand attached to the robot to monitor and to check the wires. There is a camera attached to it. We'll get the camera input to our laptop or to our control station. Let me show the control station in the laptop. For this is the control station. You can see the camera input data here. We can change the hand using the rheostat. Even we can cut the wire, check what happening in the wire and all. So let us going to what we have materials used in the project. So for this project we have used an SMPS for the power supply. The SMPS is about 12 volts 58 amperes. Actually it requires only 10 amperes as the motor takes 10 amperes itself. We have 58 amperes stock, so we have used 58 amperes. So we have used an Arduino Nano for the drivers, and we have used a LM2596 for the power supply. We are making it a 5 volts from 12 volts to give the power supply to the Arduino, and we are using 10K ports for controlling the servo motor and as well as for controlling the hand. So let us going to dispatch it. So let us start the project again working. Yeah.
Next.